Welcome back to John Cleese Cardio. My name is Max, and at John Cleese today we have a Grand Voyager. About a 2013 model, I want to say this vehicle is. We've had it in to upgrade the head unit. Right, if I just hop in. So, head unit didn't have very many features as standard, and it was pretty boring as far as head units go. Didn't have any DAB, didn't have any Apple CarPlay, didn't have any Android Auto, which are all things that basically everyone wants today. So here is the head unit. It'll boot up and do something a little bit like this. So it fits in the nice little fascia surround, and it looks quite nice and neat and tidy. But this head unit is going to bring this customer up to date with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and DAB. Connecting a phone is pretty simple. I'm going to connect up to it. Excuse the ridiculous list of Bluetooth devices. I'm going to press telephone on here. That is going to bring up the unit to go on here. And that's now going to initiate the pairing process. Obviously just needs to be done once for the first time that you're connecting up to the stereo, but that is basically done, and that will now kick into Apple CarPlay in about a couple of seconds. Well, hey, so here's Apple CarPlay. This is the Apple version of maps, music, messaging. A much nicer way of using your telephone while driving. Give you a little whiz around it. That's my favourites, my recents, contacts, keypad. Hit that if you want to check some voicemails. You've got messages, different messages, a few notifications that I can open. If I tap those ones with blue next to them, it'll read out my message. And you got another page of other icons and stuff like that. So you got SoundCloud, radio player. I use Tidal for my music. Radio player is good for DAB radio if you can't pick up the signal. It's the little DAB antenna just over on that side there. That little area in the corner there, which is a little black box and a film that'll pick up all the DAB reception. We've got a microphone which goes in just at the top here, which is just this little piece here. That's actually the loom to the factory mirror. And we click on the music, it plays. It's nice and clear and loud, because these cars haven't actually got bad sound systems in them.
I think I want to talk about.
And you also got steering wheel controls on the back of these steering wheels, so I can use that for adjusting the volume up and down. Just going to pause it because I don't want a copyright strike. Put it into reverse, the factory reverse camera we retain. And that looks pretty mint, and yeah, nice and easy to use. Custom puts into reverse camera comes on the screen, and then when they come out of reverse, it goes away from it. So we retain the factory camera. Quick look at the DAB. DAB looks a little bit like this. You have your presets down the side here. Hey, let's turn that down. Presets are down this side of the radio here. Got all of the about 15 different presets. Magnifying glass to search. Loads of channels. Let's say we want the hearts, thousands. Click on it like so. That's going to be playing now. And then to save it, real nice, simple and easy. If I can hit the right button while I'm looking at the camera screen, click and save just like that. And that is pretty much it. This is a Chrysler Grand Voyager. We do other Jeeps, Chryslers. We cover pretty much every single car here at John Cleese. So if you've got a vehicle that you want Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, DAB or reverse camera, please get in contact with us and we can create a solution for you. My name's Max, I'm signing off. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.